Every company has more jobs to be done than resources available to do those jobs. And Agentforce helps you build and customize autonomous AI agents for any department and any job. Take, for example, the stress of searching for a new job. You start the process feeling hopeful about your future and the possibilities ahead. But too often the job-seeking experience turns into a waiting game. Endless applications, radio silence, and a sense of feeling neglected. Meanwhile, recruiters have their own challenges. They have to sort through countless resumes, tasked with finding the perfect match in an overwhelming sea of applications, making it impossible to deliver a personalized, meaningful experience for every candidate. The experience with the Adecco Group is much different for both candidates and recruiters. With over 300 million interactions with job seekers every year, Adecco knows how important it is to get it right. That's why they're using Agentforce with its library of skills to equip their recruiters and make the job placement experience smoother for all of their candidates. Adecco can get started quickly by creating an agent with our pre-built skills, like the ones we have for commerce, sales, service, and more. For example, to help improve the candidate experience, they can use this lead development skill. This skill ensures emails are promptly responded to and nurtured along in the funnel. But what if they want to further tailor an agent for their recruiters? This is what makes Agentforce special. With Agentforce, you can create your own autonomous AI agents for any job you want to accomplish without writing a single line of code. So now any department can describe the job they need done and build their own agent. Because Agentforce has an unlimited number of agents. Why? Well, all you have to do is describe what your agent needs to do, and Agentforce will auto-generate it for you. Take, for example, this agent we've created for Adecco's recruiters. Now, how can I be confident that this agent can actually do what I described? Well, that's because Agentforce is using everything you've already built on the Salesforce platform. First of all, Agentforce is aware of all of your business data. Next, Agentforce is aware of all your business processes, the flows, Apex, and prompts you've built. And finally, Agentforce can tap into this growing library of Salesforce and partner-built skills. That's why, when you describe your agent, Agentforce scans all of this metadata, your data, your processes, and the skills library, and auto-assembles a custom agent for any team to do the job described. Like assembling all of these packaged Salesforce skills, from Tableau to generate data visualizations, lead development to reach out and respond to candidates, and field service for scheduling. These skills are packaged topics and actions we can give our agent that Salesforce and partners have already configured for a certain task. And when there isn't a pre-built option, Agentforce generates a new one, like this pre-qualification match. So if you can describe it, Agentforce can do it. These topics are the jobs to be done by our agent and are made up of actions. And what's important is that actions can be customized as much as you'd like, because actions are the capabilities you've already built on the platform: flows, prompts, Apex, and MuleSoft APIs. Once you select these actions, Agentforce automatically generates clear instructions for the agent. No coding is required, just simple, natural language descriptions of what you'd like the agent to do. Next, Agentforce can work across many different channels, which means you only have to build the agent once and then deploy it anywhere, like CRM, Slack, and integrated with external systems. And because Agentforce is connected to Data Cloud, it grounds your agent with all of the relevant business data, whether structured or unstructured. And that's it. With a few simple steps, we've created and deployed a fully functional agent for Adecco's recruiters. Let's deploy this agent to Slack and see it in action. After a job gets posted, Agentforce can now autonomously perform the administrative tasks that would normally consume hours of a recruiter's time. So now, when a recruiter starts their day, they have Agentforce sharing pre-qualified candidates for an open role, freeing up recruiters to focus on what truly matters: building relationships and making great hires. Let's take a look at how this transforms a recruiter's day. Simone recently applied for a project coordinator role, but wasn't selected. In the past, Simone would have been left to start the job search from scratch. But now Agentforce surfaces her profile for this project manager role based on her interests and skill set. Our recruiter asks Agentforce to send an email to Simone to share this new opportunity and check her availability to schedule an interview. This proactive, thoughtful approach ensures Simone feels valued and supported throughout her job search. It's a game changer in candidate care, turning what would have been a discouraging setback into a moment of opportunity. Meanwhile, for recruiters, there's typically very little time between back-to-back meetings to interview prep. So let's ask Agentforce to prepare tailored interview questions and insights into why Simone is a great fit. This makes the interview process smoother and sets up more meaningful conversations with candidates like Simone. This is why Adecco and many other companies are using Agentforce to build agents for every department. We're not just shipping a bunch of pre-built agents that you can't adapt to your business. With Agentforce 2.0, we're shipping a platform, which is how Adecco has an entire Agentforce that knows about your data, your processes, and can tap into a vast library of skills to make any agent for any department possible.